So till the last class we have learnt up to logarithms. We know logarithms, the properties of logarithms and laws of logarithms. Already I explained. Once again I recall the laws of logarithms. Log xy base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a. Log x by y base a equal to log x base a minus log y base a. Log x power to the power of m base a equal to m log x base a. Power of the logarithm log x to the power of m base a is equal to m log x base a, and log a base b equal to log a by log b or 1 by log b by log b base a. These are the laws of logarithms. And one more law is log to the power of log to a to the power of log n base a. A to the power of log n base a equal to n. This is when these two bases are same. A to the power of log n base a. This is a, this is a. So this value will be the what is the result? N. A to the power of log n base a equal to n. So about these all we learned in the last class. Now let us do the problems. In this class we are going to solve some problems related to all these laws. So I will give the problems on the board. You copy it, note down, simplify. First problem. Simplify. Log 216 base 6 plus log 42 minus log 6 by log 49. How to simplify this? Let us do this. Let us work out. So log 216 base 6. We know 216. 216 factorize it. We know it. We know this. 6 216. 6 3 18. 6 6 6 6. So log 216 can be written as 6 cube base 6. Log 216 means 6 cube base 6 plus this is log 42 minus log 6. Log x minus log y. Log x minus log y. Log x minus log y means log 40 log x minus log y. Log x by y. Log x by y by this is log second law log x minus log y. Log x by y by this is what? Log 49. So here children log, we know the third law of log x power n. Log x power n, the logarithm of the power. When the power comes, the power write as quotient. 3 log 6 base 6. Log x power n, we know this. Log x power n base a equal to n log x base a. Log x power n base a equal to n log x base a. That formula applied here. Now children, next 6 1 are 42 plus log 7 by log 49 is written as 7 square. 7 square. 3 log 6 base 6. Log a base a 1. Log a base a equal to 1. We have the identity. Log a base a equal to 1 plus log 7 by this is log x power n. Same formula. Log x to the power of n base a equal to n log x base a. 2 log 7. So 3 1 are 3 plus. So log 7 cancel. This is 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 by 2, 3 and half. 3 plus half, 3 and half. 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. The answer is 7 by 2. Like this you have to solve. 216, right, and factorize 6 cube, log 6 cube base 6 plus log x minus log y, log 42 minus log 6. Log x minus log y, log x by y, log 42 by 6 by log 49. This is log x power n. Log x power n base a. N log x base a. N means 3 here. Log 6 base 6 plus 6 1 ja 6 7 ja log 7 by log 49 can be written as 7 square 3 log 6 base 6. Log a base a1. The logarithm of the number. The logarithm of a number to the same base will be always 1. Log 6 base 6 1 plus log 7 by this is log x power n base a. Log x power n, the power is there. The power of logarithm is what? Power right as quotient and log 7. 2 log 7. Log 7 cancel. 1 by 2. Replace of 3 and half. 3 and half means 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2. Like this you can solve this. Now one more problem I will explain. Solve log x base 8 log x base 8 plus log x plus 6 base 8 is equal to log 5x plus 12. This how to solve this? Solve means what is the variable here? X. So we need to find the value of x here. So let us solve this. So log x base 8 plus log x plus 6 base 8 is equal to log 5x plus 12. This is given. This is of the form log x base a plus log y base a. The bases are same, base 8, base 8. This is of the first law. This is of the form first law of the logarithm. The first law of logarithm is log x plus log y. Log x base a plus log y base a means log xy. This is expansion, right as single logarithm. So log x plus log y, log xy, log xy, log x base a plus log y base a. X is equal to x is here, y is equal to x plus 6 is here. So log x plus log y, log xy, log x, y is what? X plus 6. Base is 8. That equal to log of 5x plus 2. Right, so since what is the formula here? We know we applied formula is right here, log x base a plus since log x plus log x base a plus log y base a is equal log xy base a. This is of the form. This is log x base a plus log y base a equal to log xy base a. The expansion is given, we write as single one. So log x, x means x, y means x plus 6, base 8. That equal to log 5x plus 2. Both sides log get cancelled. Same here. This is also base 8 only. Here we got x into x plus 6 is equal to 5x plus 2. Equal x into x, x square, x into 6, 6x is equal to 5x plus 2. This is a quadratic equation. X square plus 6x, shift to 5x left side minus 5x plus 2 shift left side minus 2 equal to 0. So x square plus 6x minus 5x 1x minus 2 equal to 0. Factorize this, you know that factorization x square plus 2 1 2 2x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. You know the factorization. Already in the 9th class you learned about the factorization, how to factorize a quadratic. Multiply second degree quotient and last term. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 2, 2. Multiply second degree quotient 1 and constant 2. 1 to the 2. 2 split into factors. You know that. 2 1 and 2. So middle term sign should be given to the greater factor. Plus the constant is minus, give the opposite sign. Constant is what here? Constant is minus, give the opposite sign. So instead of plus x, what you write here? Plus 2x minus 1x. That equal to minus 2 equal to 0. X common. X 2 minus 1 common. X plus 2 equal to 0. So x plus 2 x minus 1 equal to 0. Children, here we made some mistake here. Did you? I wrote 12 here. Here 12. Here I wrote 2. We make it 12. 12. 12. This is 12. This is what? 12. Five x plus 12. X square plus 6x minus 5x minus 12 equal to 0. X square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. Factorize 12 1 12. 12 factorize. 4 plus 12. Middle term sign greater. Middle term sign is plus. Allow to the greater factor. Here constant is minus due to the opposite sign. So instead of plus x write down plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. X common. X in x square x times 4 minus 3 4 is equal to 0. Again x plus 4 common. X minus 3 equal to 0. Each factor equal to 0. X plus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4. It is neglected. Don't consider the negative value. You neglect this. Ignore. You take positive value only. X minus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 3. So x equal to 3 is the value. When you solve it, why you are not taking x equal to minus 4? Generally, the log values will not get in the negative forms. So we will omit, we will neglect these negative values. So we accept only positive values. This is. So by mistake, instead of 12 I wrote 2, I corrected here. I hope you understand. Okay, children. Next we go for one more important concept of this, third one. The most important model this is for 4 marks. If x square plus y square equal to 18xy, x is greater than y is greater than 0 condition, then show that or prove that is the same. Show that log of x minus y by 4 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. This. So here what is given here? X square plus y square equal to 18xy. What you have to show? Log of x minus y by 4 is equal of log x plus log y. So given that x square plus y square equal to 18xy. So, for such problems, first we have to observe that the given expression is perfect square or not. We must observe. Is x square plus y square is perfect square? No. When it becomes perfect square, then here plus 2xy or minus 2xy is there, it is perfect square. Okay. So, how can you know that whether it is 2x plus 2xy or minus 2xy? So, x square plus y square is not perfect square. When you add plus 2xy or minus 2xy, it becomes the perfect square. But what we have to add here? Plus 2xy or minus 2xy. How do you know that we should add plus 2xy or minus 2xy? For that, we should see left side. Left side is what here? We have to show that log x minus y by 4. The minus sign is there. That is why we have to subtract 2xy on both sides. We have to add minus 2xy on both sides. Here plus is there, add plus 2xy. Here minus is there, add minus 2xy, like that. How to know? How do you identify that? How do you know that you should add or subtract plus 2xy or minus 2xy? This depends on the LHS. We have to show that log of x minus y by 4, here minus is there. That is why to make it perfect square, we have to add minus 2xy. If it is plus, we have to add plus 2xy on both sides. Now, What you have to add? Minus 2xy. Adding minus 2xy. Adding minus 2xy on both sides. Why should we add? To make it perfect square. To make it perfect square. So x square plus y square minus 2xy equal to 18xy minus 2xy. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square, x minus y whole square equal to 18xy minus 2xy, 16xy. Like this you can write. So x minus y whole square is equal 16 can written as 4 square. 4 square into xy. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Bs, both sides. So taking log means connect log on both sides. Log x minus y whole square is equal log of 4 square xy. Log x minus y whole square, log x power n. Log x power n means n log x. The power comes as quotient 2 log of x minus y is equal, this is a log x expansion, log xy, first law. The first law of logarithm is log xy is log x plus log y. Log xyz is there, log x plus log y plus log z. It can be extended up to any term. So this can be written as log 4 square plus log x plus log y. What is to be proved? This is, we have to prove this is. So 2 of log x minus y is equal, this can be written as 2 log 4. 2 log 4. 2 log 4 plus log x plus log 1. So 2 log x minus y plus 2 log 4 shift left side minus 2 log 4, that equal to what? Log x plus log y. So you take 2 common here. 2 common. Log x minus y minus log x minus y. Sorry. Here 2 common. Log x minus y minus log 4, that equal to log x plus log y. So we want here I go log x minus y minus log 4 is equal to 2 side right side. Here 2 means 2 by 1, multiply inverse, it becomes 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of log x plus log y. This is. So this is what? Second law of logarithm. Log x minus log y. Log x minus log y. X means x minus y means 4. Log x minus log y. Second law of logarithm. Log x minus log y means log x by y. Log x by y is equal half of log x plus log y. Hence proved this. Log of x minus y by 4 equal 1 by 2 log x plus log y. And all these problems children. So one more problem I will give you. The most important problem is solve fourth problem. 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Solve or find the value of x is the same. Solving means nothing but finding the value of the variable which involved in the given expression. So what variable involved in this expression? X. So you have to find out the x value. This can be asked in 2 ways: solve or find the value of x. So solve means what? The variable is x. You have to find out the variable value. So write down 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 minus x. So this is. So what you have to do here, this is given, take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Taking Log on both sides. Take log. Log of 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to log of 3 to the power of 1 minus x. We know that log a to the power of n, power. When the power comes, it comes to the quotient like this. It can be written as x plus 1 log 2 is equal to 1 minus x log 3. If you want log, you can write here what log you applied. Log x power n base a is equal to m log x base a. You apply this log here. Base nothing means base 10. The base nothing is given means what? Base 10 only. The base 10 logarithms are called common logarithms. Sometimes they don't give any base. They don't mention any base. So when the base is not given, when the bases are not given, you should consider them as 10. The base 10 logarithms are also called common logarithms. The base 10 logarithms are called common logarithms. Here for example, log 5 given. Log base is not given. Base not given means that is what you should consider as 10 only. The base is not given, that should consider as 10. The base 10 logarithms are called common logarithms. Okay, anyhow, so this is log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. So when the power form is there, I wrote like this: x plus 1 log 2 is equal to 1 minus x log 3. So x plus 1 into log 2. With log 2 multiply this. Log 2 into x, x log 2 plus log 2 1 ja log 2 is equal to log 3 1 ja log 3 minus log 3 into x, x log 3. So we have to solve this. Solving means finding the variable value. What variable is involved in this expression? X variable. So you have to find out the x value. So all x we bring one side. So here x log 2 is there. So minus x log 3, shift left side, it becomes x log 3, that equal to log 3. Now plus log 2, shift right side, it becomes minus log 2. After that, here x, you take x common. When you take x common, log 2 plus log 3, that equal to what? Log 3 minus log 2. Now we need to find out x. X is equal to log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. This is x value. This is way of solving the problems. This is exponential given. So what did you do here? You have taken log on both sides. You solve this. Such problems. And one more problem I will give you. The last problem. I hope you understand this problem. I go for fifth problem. Some model problems explaining the problems which are involved connected to logarithms. These are all problems. Now I go for fifth one. Today I end up this chapter. The next class onwards we will go for the second chapter. So that is why I am giving more problems on this to have a clear idea, so that we can solve the Excel problems also. Write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single logarithm. Single logarithm. So this in this expression we have can be seen so many logarithms here. What? 2 log 3, 3 log 5, 5 log 2. So many. So the expression is connected with the more than 1 log. So this is called expansion form. Write as single. Single means 1 log should be seen. 1 log should be seen. So while writing the logarithm expansion, we know that log x plus log y. Log x plus log y means log xy. Log x plus log y plus log z means log xyz. Like that you write. This is, I take this 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. So I told you that already log n log x, n log x, the quotient becomes power becomes quotient. Here quotient given, you write this is log 3 square plus log here quotient is 3 log 5 cube minus log 2 to the power of 5. Now take as single logarithm log x plus log y minus log x. Single logarithm means you write one log outside the bracket. Now this is all positive becomes into and minus becomes division. In the logarithms, some of the terms becomes multiplication, the difference becomes division. So the plus becomes into, minus becomes division. Plus becomes into, division becomes minus, minus becomes division. Okay, plus becomes into log 3 square, plus is there, plus write as into 5 cube. Division, minus becomes division, minus becomes division divided by what? 2 to the power of. So log 3 square 9, 5 cube 125, 2 to the power of 5 32. So that equal to log 9 into 125, 9 5 is 45, 9 to the 18, 4 is 22, and 9 to 11 25, log 1125 by 32. This is single logarithm. So like this expansion can be written as single logarithm. So last one more bit I tell you in this. The last bit. Expand. Okay. How to write this? Log of the root means you know that x cube by y square. Root means to the power of half. To the power of half. Like this. Log this power belongs to both numerator and denominator. X cube over to the power of half by y square over to the power of half. This is you know that. So log x to the power of 3 by 2 by this 2 cancel y. So this is what? Expand log x by y, log x minus log y, log x to the power of 3 by 2 minus log y, log x power n log x 3 by 2 log x minus log y. This is expansion. This is expansion, children. So the last exercise of your first chapter, the last exercise of the first chapter, you will be having so many problems to work out. You work out all those problems which are belongs to logarithms. So I hope you understand, the children. So we'll see, we'll discuss, we can start in the next session, next class, next chapter. That is, I will declare later on. Okay. Thank you.